to spend more time fiddling with your bike, get someone else to mow your lawn. Righto bike fans, back in the garage, shed, toolbox, whatever you want to call it. Okay, SW Motech makes some good gear. This was my face track lost me. Yep. This was my first one. I purchased from SW Motech. Micro bag, really useful. Really small. Have a look. Where's the bloody camera gone? Yeah, can't get a huge amount in there, but really useful. If you've got space on your back bags and your tail bags for a load of gear, you get passport, phone, and it comes with a waterproof cover, and it comes with the quick lock, which is what this video is all about. The other one I have, and I use a lot, is this bag here. It's the Pro bag. It's totally waterproof. A lot of space. Lid on top. And connects on the bottom with the magnetic mount. Really, really good. My preferred one, to be honest, because it's waterproof. You haven't got to worry. Okie doke. Let's get this off. Now these are tricky to get out. So get your trusty magnet. And keep them safe. So when you take this off, when you sell the bike in 6 months' time, you'll want them. So first things first, these little spacers go in these little holes. Now I've fitted a couple of these now. Actually no, I fitted 5 of these, and this is probably where I've lost them. They haven't come loose. So these are those little spacers. Okay, the top 4 holes. Then take your lower ring. This is the lower ring with these threaded sections on. And the longer bolts on the GS, not the shorter. You get 2 options. Pop that on there. And if you use the shorter bolts, you'll quickly realise they won't fit. Now, I'm not Loctiting these because these weren't the ones that came out. Don't ask me how many newtons. SW don't tell you that. Newton of the finger. Maybe we should refer to what the BMW fuel cap requires and nip it up to that. Don't listen to me. Okay. That's that bit. And all the screws conveniently attached to the ring. Then take your ring and put it in place over those threaded sections there. And pop these in, making sure you've got the right ones. And from the feel of that, I don't think I have. Nope, I haven't. So there should be some longer ones, which are those two. There we go. So there's two options in the box. They say it's BMW 1300 specific. I think that's a load of rubbish. I think this is off for $12.50, but hey, who am I to argue? Then the tricky little ones that really need Loctite are these little buggers, because they come out 3,000 miles in, and they're on an Allen key. So get your Allen key and wind them in. Get them started. Allen key up. So I've got them started. Going to drop a bit of. I always find this stuff goes bloody everywhere. I think it's about to now as well. You're supposed to get it down on the thread, but I don't want it going all over the tank and down the side of the bike, so no my luck. The bike fabric of this new material here will stain with the blue Loctite, so I'm sure that'll be fine. And that's the blue Loctite I'm talking about there. Nip that up, and then that is it. Pretty straightforward. Said tank bag should easily locate. Easy as that. So that's it really, guys and girls. How to fit your SW motech tank ring. But I maintain, if you've got a 1250, your ring should fit. Testing. And gone to fit the tank bag. Slight problem. This hump on the top of the little new key fob stroke phone holding box catches on the bottom of the bag. So when you go to click it in, it doesn't locate. That's catching. That doesn't work. That is not connecting properly. Guys, for total clarity, that's the micro bag. That's that one. On the pro bag, it does actually work. It does connect. But it does touch the top of and rest on the top of this plastic cover lid thing, which is a bit shit because it's going to wear a mark in it. So on that basis, you have to slide it all the way forward and have it hanging off the edge of the bike. I'll show you now. So there you go. That's how it's got to look, which is shit. This is the problem here. This section here is raised up, and that constantly wobbling, which they do wobble about on that ring. They wobble about. Oh, actually no, I'm wrong. I'm sorry, I haven't got that bolted down. But that all the way up will in fact definitely wear a mark on that ridge. So you have to have it all the way forward, and then it's clear, which I don't really like the look of. So obviously the tank shape is totally different from the 1250 to the 1300, and that's what you've got now. You haven't got a lot of space for a tank bag. You've got it perched on the edge of a cliff, which looks, well, I don't even think that's going to work. It'd be too close to your chest. So that's where I want it. You can't do that because it's going to impact the steering. So you pull it back to about there, minimum. And then your back rubbing on there. Let's get some light on this. See what I mean? That is going to wear a mark in it. And that's going to cost you money when you come to resell. Make your own minds up. I'm not amused about that. I don't like that. It's going to be virtually in my chest. I reckon probably comfortable about there. But I don't actually like that. Sorry to say, SW. £30 later for a new tank ring. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button. More of this crap to come. Although thousands of you, millions of you are liking it. We reached 1 million views the other day, which is really exciting. So keep clicking. Honest opinions and honest views of the new 1300.